All right, so tonight we have equivalent fraction puzzles, same as before. This time we have 6 new people, and we should know what to do here, but let's just do a couple as examples. So Makiko is giving us 1/3. So I'm going to skip down to, let's do this one here. If you have 1/3, it's pretty simple here. 1 times what equals 20? And then you need that to be equal to 1, so 20 over 20. So the bottom part is 60. Those should be pretty simple. Jillian's giving us 1/4, and again, with 1, it makes it even a little bit simpler. The question is, 4 times what equals 300? That's a little bit tricky. So let's break it down a little bit further. So do you know, like, 4 times what equals 100? And if you know that, then it would be, we can figure out times 300. So 4 times, if you don't know, the answer is 25 equals 100. So if you want 300, then you just tripled this, right? You did this times 3. So then you need to do this times 3. So 25 times 3 would give you what? And that's going to be your answer for what goes here. Then you can do the rest on your own. Let's see, a few more. Shrisha gave us 3/4. I just wrote this one incorrectly because I forgot to put it on the right side, but 3/4 times 3 times what gives you 12. You're going to have 4/4 there. And then the bottom part 16, and so on and so on. And Hannah, Caitlin, and Rena, you can work on theirs using the same strategy. I think you should be okay. For this decimal stuff here, again, the key thing is to line things up. If you have 5 and 6.97, the question is, where does the decimal go for 5? Well, it would be between here and here, even though there's nothing there, but that's where the decimal would be. So you would write 6.97 like this, and then 97 just stays where it is, the decimal stays where it is, and you can add 5 and 6. Same thing over here. You need to line up the decimal points. 6.2 would be there, and then you can simply add. Now the last one, you have 9 minus 3.5. And again, the decimal's here. 3.5 would be like this. But what goes here? Well, that's 0. 9.0 and 9 are the same. So you can do it like that. Or you can just think about 3.5 is really 3.5, right? So 3.5 plus what would give you 9. Or just do the subtraction like that, and you can figure it out that way. So that's it. Thank you to everybody for making these puzzles for us to use, and we'll do 2 more sets of these to get some practice, and goodbye.